What's up everyone, welcome to Zealplex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can get irrelevant tags for your YouTube channel. So it is basically given by YouTube itself that how your videos are being discovered by YouTube search engine. So let me just go ahead and show you how we can do that. So basically to get that is there's an application inside a Play Store that is YT Studio given by YouTube itself, YT Studio. That's the channel, that's the application given by YouTube itself, and which I have already downloaded. If you're a YouTuber, you definitely should have that application inside your mobile phone. So that's our application. So what you have to do is, after you have uploaded your video on YouTube, just go and open up your video, then go and click on view more. After opening that view more, there's an option of discovery, that's overall revenue and discovery. So after that, what you have to do is scroll up and you will find top YouTube search terms. Click on that and it is going to give you that option that how many days it has passed and what kind of a person, what is the relevant tag which has been used by YouTube search engines to put your video in front of the audience. So this all the things which is shown that large YouTube thumbnail in Twitter app in 2018 has 21.8%. So this is the tag which is actually YouTube using to show your videos to the audience. So you have to go on computer and type it, because this application is available for mobile phone. All you have to do is go on and type it all everything on computers, and definitely you will get that tags inside the tags of your YouTube search engine. And that's about it. That's how you can go and find the discovery of your video, which is actually helping your videos to go in front of the audience. So that's about it for this video. If this helped you out, just go on and comment it down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nasir and I'm signing out. See you in the next one.